This is how I save money on Christmas shopping. One of the simplest ways to blow your budget is to go holiday shopping. Your gift list may easily grow too large for your pocketbook to handle between your kids, friends, co-workers, neighbors, and more. Here are my best strategies to reduce your holiday present list this year and save money. It is best to discuss gift expectations as soon as possible with family and friends. Setting limits is essential to ensuring that no one spends more than the other, and it can help reduce pressure to buy extravagant gifts. It's recommended cutting back on your per-person budget to make holiday shopping more reasonable. To spend less, you have to get creative with gift ideas. Make a list of the things you want to buy before you enter the store, and stay inside those boundaries. Additionally, making a list and adding up your purchases will enable you to assess your gift buying intentions. A wonderful way to reduce costs and shorten your gift list is to provide group gifts. Think of paying for your boss's gift jointly with a coworker. Or, when making larger purchases, divide the price with loved ones or friends. Is this something you would consider? Let me know in the comments. The best presents don't always have to be expensive. There are actually lots of homemade presents that are as significant. Find inspiration for unique gifts that are affordable or free by searching Pinterest or other craft websites. The value of homemade gifts is far greater than that of pricey ones. When doing your Christmas shopping, keeping an eye out for deals like buy one, get one free on giftable items is a fantastic way to get the most of your money. Simply because you found a fantastic offer at a department store does not mean you should buy it right now. The phenomenon of impulse shopping occurs frequently when shoppers are persuaded to make purchases they had not originally intended to make by seeing great discounts. Stick to your original shopping list instead to stay under your spending limit. Merry Christmas everybody! I wish you a happy holiday with lots of love and little expense. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe,